What's up, YouTube? What's up? So you guys, today I'm going hiking with my friend. Would have started this vlog a little bit earlier, but because bitches like to be late. By the way, please excuse my ugly hair and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. These are my hoes. These are my hoes. We're going to hiking together. So we'll update you when we get there. You have to do a register also when you get here.
Yeah, but
especially
Oh, okay. Guys, let me tell you, Gutiwa, sina singamadoda, singahamba. Let me tell no! I will never be a daughter, not even one day, guys. Let me tell you.
and guys, oh my
Can you
God.
see yourself? See yourself? But I'm a daughter also a cat. One. Yeah, almost got.
Hiking, white people things.
I know. So damn peaceful. So damn peaceful. So I don't know why people go hiking normally, but I'd like to think that for mental health vibes, just to make sure that you're healthy and to clear your thoughts. Maybe, I don't know what it is, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the girl. Yeah. Yeah. So also I don't know why people go hiking normally, but I'd like to think that it's for like, you know, to clear your head. Like, yeah, you know. Anyway, my friend organized this hiking. What's it show me?
Don't do that.
She did this. Yes, that's another camera.
You know,
I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it.
yeah.
Nature of the nation, nature of the nation, of the nation of the nature. Lana kuninyo kane. Why go so? Why kune cage? Kune tiger lana. Alana kune tiger la. Yeah, mina ngiyalasabi ibhubesi. La kusebhubesini. Sebhubesini. Yakibala. Guys, we know. Kuma greenhouse kuninyo kana la. Cha de jungle. Yeah. Ngifuna ukuyezoom mina.
Awukwazi ukuzibona kodwa zingxenye ebalekile yemvelo. Bayazi ukuthi labasitshela bazi ukuthi icover ibad luck.
Basifakela amabhadi.
Basitshela ukuthi hey izicover umvelo. Hey.
Kuthiwani? Umkhankaso okhethekile womfanekiso engu67 izikhova efakwe uDwembu uJames Telemey ekudumiseni usuku lika Mandela lonyaka ayibo for ini
Nazi izicover.
kuthiwa nazi ikhova izikhova yes
Nasi ayesinye la.
nazi ikhova mbona sesihlahleni
Sapeka indawo
lalela usaphanda indawo yokuhlala
I think there's a hive.
It's in the bear.
Yeah, the beehive.
yes
Oh.
It's a Mayan.
beehive detected ngikosa Beyonce ngiyakuthanda kodwa cha athi yena ke nibayenza ngalesihlahla ngingixoxeleni wow guys
Izikhova ezikhona emhlabeni zingaphezulu kuka 200.
I'm a type 2 cop. But see, this place is a place for owls, guys. Apparently, I don't think I'm going to go over. Owls. I'm with owls, guys. Excuse me for looking so crusty.
Yo, manje
Guys, I was born. Guys, she's so pretty, guys. Look at her. Nifunde kanje catch my feelings. Catch. Hey. Kudlaliwe ngathi.
Akudlaliwe ngathi emhlabeni.
Mina, askas. Yeah. Mina. Keep quiet in here a bit. For what? Kuthiwa keep quiet and hear the beats. For ini azisakwazi nokuhleba inyoni. Koro. Inyoni azisakwazi nokuhleba ngoba bakuthiwa keep quiet and hayi kumele zihlebe izinye inyoni kanti le hayi bathi kunamajiraffa
kanti wasingaqhubeki ye
asambeni kanti
kangitsona awusamnix ufie fakal
get a boost package. What's this pit for? Nature. Nature. Was a water fountain, maybe? Guys, my background. Let me tell you. Hey guys, CG level 2. CG level 2 lockdown. Lockdown. CG level 2. And we are away from the city and the noise and the lights. You know? You need to take a break from this and just come enjoy yourself here. You know, just breathe a little. So, John.
oh yo guys
Are you having a good time?
but asazi ukuthi siyaphi mara kushapha
Asazi ukuthi siyakuphi nathi siyahamba ngathi silandela
up
ipath.
and down but it's fine izebra
Yeah, he's a prophet ama-specs. Bona yini izephi nama-specs?
lidimile
Angazi noma niyayibona yini. Izephi lifaka ama-dimas. Ama-dimas. These hands are taking pictures. Ah! The fuck? Guys, the view in front of me. Let me show you. I'm not sure if you can see this. But those trees, honey. Oh, my goodness. Jesus, your Lord. My God. My God. Luckily, I'm not allergic to trees or anything, and I feel bad for people that are allergic. Don't know what this is. Don't know her. Hi sis, I don't know you. Don't know you.
Chumi, shoot it back. Chumi,
Since I'm taking pictures.
Sondela Chum. Yeah, oh.
You are a bad girl. You are my bad girl. Phone, amahlabi-hlabi, elifini now. In mineral form, amahlabi-hlabi.
I think
Like,
they
yeah,
blew
that's-
some flowers, no?
Huh?
They blew into flowers or something.
I think so. I think they do. I've never actually taken time to...
I've never seen those before.
Guys, what do those do? Like, do they become flowers or something?
Needles.
Ooh, a nest. Guys, are you joking?
Ah, you complain. I'm saying I'm shoot. Everything is wrong. You must take care. You're one of them.
Ay, bro! Ubanjwa amaphoyisa, inyoka ibanjwa amaphoyisa. Phoyisa! Guys, so here we are. Here we are. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm back now. I couldn't vlog coming back or whatever, my phone died. So I'm back and I look crusty as fuck. I just finished my shower. Right now I'm gonna go do my hair. Not sure if I should add that in the vlog, but I don't think so because it's already long. So I'm gonna leave it here for now. Leave it here for now. This is my wall without the lights, guys. Can you see? Very dry. Also, pardon me for not looking into the camera. I'm a bit dizzy and I'm undressed. I'm undressed. You know what it is. I hope YouTube doesn't demonetize me. Anyway, I need to go do my hair. I have a dinner date with my friends later on. My other friends. See, so nice to have many different friends. I have a dinner date with my other friends and I'll probably vlog that. So I'll see you in the next vlog. I love you. I love you. I love you. What was that? I love you. That's what I wanted to do. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, I'm saying Yama. I'm saying Movie. I promise you I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna look nice now. You know. So I love you. I love you.